We get a lot of questions from customers about linking to your DBWS store correctly. Let's take a few minutes to see what makes these links work correctly. If a visitor goes to stampinup.com/ecweb, which is a Stampin' Up! Online storefront, by default they're not associated with a demonstrator. However, by adding a question mark followed by the text DBWS Demo ID, the equal sign, and your Demo ID number, the visitor will be taken to your Stampin' Up! Storefront. Be sure to replace the number you see here with your own Demo ID. Now your visitor is shopping Stampin' Up! With you as the demonstrator. Note that the question mark is only used once in the link, and any other special symbol used in the link after that will be the ampersand. I'll show you what I mean. For example, if you want to send visitors straight to the current online extravaganza using you as the demo, you'll first need the full link to that page and category. Click on the online extravaganza graphic. Notice in the address bar that the URL already has one question mark in it right before the category ID. Let's send the visitor to your store by adding the text ampersand DBWS Demo ID equals and your Demo ID again. Once you go to the site, it's the same special, only you're the demonstrator and will get credit for the purchases. So let's recap and see how this applies to linking to your store in a post. Remember, the first special character in your link is always going to be a question mark. So if you are creating a link to the main Stampin' Up! Online shopping page for your demonstrator ID, this is what the link would look like. Now I want to turn this into a hyperlink, so I'm going to call it the Stampin' Up! Home page. Let's call it the Stampin' Up! Store. I'm going to copy this link, highlight, right click, copy. And then I'm going to highlight the Stampin' Up! Store and click the Insert Link. Right click and paste in the URL. I want this to open in a new tab, so I'll check that box and then click Add Link. I don't need this anymore, so I'm going to delete it. Now we're going to test it by right-clicking on it, open it in a new tab, and there's our Stampin' Up! Page with the demonstrator listed up top. I want to create another link, but this time I want it to go straight to the 2014 holiday catalog. So on the left-hand side, click the 2014 holiday catalog link, then copy that link's address. Like before, only the first special character is a question mark. Any special character after that needs to be an ampersand. So since this link already has a question mark, I need to make sure that the DBWS Demo ID starts with an ampersand. Again, I want to make this a clickable link, So we'll make this 2014 holiday catalog. I'll highlight, right click, and copy this link. Then highlight the text that I want to be the actual link. Click on the Insert Edit link, right click, paste, add link, delete my extra text. We'll test it out. And perfect. The link takes me to the holiday catalog page, and I'm already linked with the demonstrator. You can also use the same technique when creating your main menus as well. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from IntegrantServices.com.